We need to reform the industry. Broadly speaking, every industry and industrialist is entitled to grow to their fullest potential, but without recourse to unethical practices or evasion of dues to the state. We need to also reform the mentality of the common citizen. He must realize the imperatives of hard work, quality work, and discipline. Responsible citizenry demands no less, and bearing those who belong to the weaker section of the society and hence deserve all the support of affirmative action that we can render unto them. The others should begin to respect the law which fashion and govern a sound economy, which means they must pay for what they use, and yes, they must also get what they pay for. In short, the nation as a whole needs to reform itself in order to be able to effectively face the new challenges and seize the new opportunity of the 21st century. Let us together create a mindset revolution to harmonize the objective of economic liberalization and social liberation. Let us together build a strong, prosperous, and self-confident India, freed from the curses of mass unemployment, illiteracy, and other manifestations of underdevelopment, and let us make India a global economic power in the 21st century. They know to translating this vision into reality is growth with employment and equity. Parachain. In our national agenda, we have pledged to bring sustainable GDP growth into 7 to 8% bracket from the present level of 5%. Many people doubt if it is an achievable target. I would say that this is a moderate target given both India's capacity and necessity. Even at this rate of 7 to 8%, India has to wait for well over half a century to catch up with the developed world. Can we afford to be slower than this? We must grow faster. We can grow faster. We simply have no other alternative in the sphere of the economy. I should tell you plainly that I have inherited a weak and deficit-ridden economy, but I am not complaining. My job is not to harp on the past but to look to the future, not to complain but to lead. Sri Kumar has rightly talked about the need to rebuild confidence and morale of industry. He has especially highlighted the issue of bringing back decision making to the fore.